You're listening to the Book Your Dream Clients podcast, episode 20. Today is a 5-minute coaching episode, and I'm going to talk to you all about how you can make your coaching business stand out.
You're listening to the Book Your Dream Clients podcast, where we believe business can be simple and you can use your intuition to run towards your goal. Self-made business and success coach Lindsay Maloney helps you start and scale your dream coaching business. With her step-by-step intuitive and creative guidance, you'll leave ready to put her tips into action, push your business forward, and work with your dream clients. Lindsay is here to help you get unstuck and structure your brilliance into a coaching business that's sustainable and financially exhilarating. Here's your host, Lindsay Maloney.
Before we get started with this episode, I want to talk to you about my program, Standout Coaching Academy, or SOCA as everyone calls it. It's a 90-day program that's going to help you book your dream clients. And this is perfect for you if you are a coach who is ready to create, launch, or scale your coaching business. If you want to fill your calendar up with dream clients who inspire you, and you want to make an impact in the world with work that you feel called to do, I want you to enroll in SOCA. SOCA is an extremely powerful program that will take your coaching business to the next level. And I have 3 ways that you can join me right now, be a part of the 90-day program, join other like-minded women, network with them, learn the best ways that you can build your coaching business just the way that I've created and scaled mine, so you can stop having those sleepless nights with all the information overload and stop doing everything by yourself. So many coaches are struggling to get their businesses started, and I want that to stop right now. So I'm inviting you to go to standoutcoachingacademy.com, check it out, and enroll. All right, so I have my timer set for 5 minutes because I always lose track if I don't. And what I want to talk to you guys about is the thought that there are way too many coaches out there and we feel like we're never going to stand out. So many people get into this because they feel called to do more. They feel like they want to help people in a bigger way than maybe their full-time job lets them, or they just maybe just want to help people on their own terms. So it's really exciting to start a coaching business and get all the things together. And then once you're out there and you have everything and you are ready, then you look around and you notice there are thousands of other people doing the same thing as me. How am I ever going to stand out? And then it kind of gets to be a little bit of a downer, and you feel like you need to go hiding some more. I always talk about how coaches or a lot of people in this space like to just go back into creating things and staying hidden and never revealing to people how special they really are because they don't feel like they're good enough. And that's a huge reason why so many coaches can't seem to last longer than a year or two, because they play that comparison game too much and they end up just feeling like it's never going to happen for them. Those negative feelings keep snowballing and their business never goes anywhere. Playing the comparison game is really dangerous because it's pointless. It's absolutely pointless. And when we start talking to ourselves and saying, you're never going to stand out because everyone's better than you and you just started and she's been doing this for forever and how are you ever going to get there? That's all just a bunch of crap, really. We need to make the decision right now that we have something really special to offer that nobody else does, because that's 100% true. We also need to make the decision that we're not going to be looking left and right and behind ever, because it's not going to do us any good, right? When you catch yourself nosing around somebody's Instagram profile or peeking around somebody's website, and I want you to ask yourself, is this making me feel good? Is this making me feel like really positive and wanting to do more? Or is this making me feel bad about my business and what I do? And is it making me feel a little down? If it's making you feel any of those negative things, I want you to step away and stay in your own lane. We can get way too caught up with looking at what everyone else is doing when everyone else has had a completely different path than we have. Their clients are different than ours. Their business is different than ours. Everything is different. Even if it looks the same on the surface, it's not. And the reason those coaches stand out, the reason why those coaches seem to have all the clients and have all the successful launches is because they're 100% genuine and they're 100% themselves. They don't look off to the sides and play those games. They might have when they started, but they're not doing that anymore. They're doing their own thing. And when people do their own thing, that's what piques people's attention because they're not blending in with everybody. So you picture a big room full of coaches and everyone's wearing beige. Well, yeah, if they're all trying to be the same person. We're all trying to look like this person on our left and right and behind us because we can't seem to be brave enough to be ourselves. Why don't you be the person who comes in wearing something really bright because that's what you like? And you know that there's somebody that's going to see you and say, hey, I love that person because I like wearing bright clothes and I think I can connect with her better. When we step out of our comfort zone, and that's what it is. It's stepping out of our comfort zone, being 100% confident in yourself. That is what's going to make your coaching business stand out. I guarantee you. I absolutely guarantee you. The coaches that I have seen have major success have two things in common. Their mindset is incredible and they have so much confidence. Those are the two ingredients you need for a coaching business that stands out. Hands down, absolutely. So my timer went off. The 5 minutes are up. And if you have any questions about your coaching business, you can feel free to join our Facebook group community, dreamclientcommunity.com, and shoot me a message on Instagram, screenshot the episode. I'd love to see that. And I will see you on the next one. Want 10 ways for you to start booking your dream clients? I created this workbook for you because I wanted to share my best tips on how I book mine. You're not going to believe how easy these are, and I know you'll be able to take my tips and put them into action ASAP so you can start working with your dream clients. To grab the workbook for free, all you have to do is go to lindsaymaloney.com/podcast. Hey coaches, are you a member of the Book Your Dream Clients community yet? Because you should be. Just go to dreamclientcommunity.com to request free access. We do fun things like website audits, challenges, and we even have a book club. Join the free Dream Client community now, and we'll see you there. Thank you so much for listening to the Book Your Dream Clients podcast. If you want to find out more information how you can work with me, just head on over to my website, lindsaymaloney.com. You will be able to see how you can work with me privately or in a group setting. I'm all about helping you start and scale your coaching business, so I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the show on iTunes and leave a rating and review. And if you want bonus points, take a screenshot of a review and tag me on your Instagram story. I'd love to see it and share it with my audience. And plus, you don't want to miss another episode.